Good morning, students. As you know that we have already finished chapter 2 of history yesterday, the rise and growth of the company power. So today we will do the classwork of this chapter. In the classwork we will be doing MCQ, that is multiple choice questions, and very short answer type question. So this all work you have to do in your fair notebook. The MCQ, that is the exercise, you have to do in the book also and in the notebook also, and you have to write all the options. You have to write all the options of the MCQ. Okay, so let's start today's classwork. Okay, student, so let's start with your classwork. MCQ. First question is, the first trader to come to India were Portuguese, Dutch, British or French? So the right answer will be the option A, Portuguese. So Portuguese will be the right option. The first factory of the English East India Company was established at, so the first factory of the English East India Company was established at Bombay, Madras, Surat or Allahabad. It will be Surat. The right answer will be Surat. Okay. The Battle of Plassey took place in 1857, 1757, 1957 or 1657. So the right answer will be 1757. Fourth question. The capital of Tipu Sultan was Mysore, Mangalore, Awadh and Seringapatam. The right answer will be Seringapatam. The dual system of administration was practiced in Bombay, Bengal, Madras and Delhi. Right answer will be Bengal. Okay, so this is all about the MCQ. You have to write this in your fair notebook and you have to mark the right answer in your book. So now we will move on to the very short answer type question. There are 5 very short answer type questions, and the answers and questions I am going to tell you here. Very short answer type question. First question is, who was Vasco da Gama? So the answer is, Vasco da Gama was a Portuguese navigator. He reached the port of Calicut on May 1498. He was a Portuguese navigator who sailed to in search of new places, and he reached India at the port of Calicut on 20th May 1498. So second question is, what was the royal charter that was granted to the East India Company by Queen Elizabeth I? So the royal charter that was granted, Queen Elizabeth I granted the East India Company a royal charter giving it the sole right to trade with the East. So in this charter it is clearly mentioned that the sole right to trade in the eastern part of India will be to the East India Company. Okay. The third question is, which was the first major victory of the English in India? So in order to fulfill their political ambition and economically they have wanted to strengthen themselves. So which victory was the major for the English? The Battle of Plassey was the first major victory of the English in India. Okay. So the fourth question is, who was called the Tiger of Mysore? So the Tipu Sultan was called the Tiger of Mysore. Tipu Sultan was called the Tiger of Mysore, as he was given this name because he killed a tiger. That's why he was given this name. So the fifth question is, what was the subsidiary alliance system? It was a system started by the British. Answer is, a state under subsidiary alliance system had to surrender its external relations to the care of the company. A subsidiary alliance system is a system where a state or a region, a king or kingdom had to surrender its external relations to the care of company. That means the kingdom now cannot take decisions and cannot make any kind of negotiation with other neighboring kingdoms in order to have them politically strong. So they have to consult the company, and in return the company will be giving them protection from any kind of invasion, any kind of revolts, etc. So this was the subsidiary alliance system. So now that's it for today's classwork. All of you do this work and complete your work on time. Okay, tomorrow we will further do other questions also. Okay, see you in the next class.